Good evening, sir. My name is Ronson Camara. I'm 32 years old, married. I have one child, 3 years old, and it's a girl. I'm college undergraduate. Due to lack of finances, I can't pursue my study in college, and I need to work so that I can help to my family. And now, I'm applying for a domestic helper position as a first-timer, and I have 2 years of experience as local since year 2018 to 2020. My duties and responsibilities as maintaining homes including cooking, laundry, and managing household errands. And I'm also experiencing child care, pet care, and elderly care. I am honest, hardworking, and respectful. I have excellent references from my previous local employers here in the Philippines, and I'm eager to learn more about your specific needs. Thank you for considering my application.